In front of me is HUAWEI Enjoy 20 SE, and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary. So at first, let's open some space where you can enter actually whatever, so you can see the keypad. I will go with messages because this is clearly visible here, and as you can see now we are using English language, so we've got Arabic letters here. If you want to change it, if you want to change your keyboard dictionary, all you need to do is tap on more icon, select settings, go to languages, and now pick the one that you would like to apply. So it can be, for example, Chinese. Just download it. Okay, so actually this is the same display. Let me choose, for example, Thai. It will be more visible. I mean, the change will be more visible. Okay, so let me pick this keyboard dictionary, then unmark English, unmark Chinese as well, and let's go back. As you can see, keyboard dictionary has been changed and you can smoothly write in Thai here. And this is it. So this is how you can change keyboard dictionary in your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.